King and his lazy kingdom. Once upon a time, nestled in the heart of a serene valley, there lay a kingdom ruled by King Alaric. Despite its breathtaking beauty, the kingdom was plagued by a peculiar malaise. Its inhabitants were notoriously lazy. King Alaric, a wise and just ruler, watched with growing concern as his subjects whiled away their days in idleness, neglecting their duties and responsibilities. The fields lay barren, the markets empty, and the once vibrant streets now echoed with the lethargic shuffle of the townsfolk. Determined to remedy this affliction, King Alaric devised a plan. He decreed that every able-bodied citizen must contribute to the prosperity of the kingdom by working diligently for at least a portion of each day. Initially met with grumbles and protests, the king's decree soon began to yield results. The people, inspired by their ruler's determination, slowly but surely began to embrace a culture of productivity and purpose. Fields were tilled, crops were sown, and workshops buzzed with activity once more. The kingdom, once shrouded in a haze of laziness, now thrummed with energy and vitality. Over time, King Alaric's kingdom flourished like never before. The streets bustled with merchants, the fields overflowed with bounty, and the people reveled in the newfound sense of accomplishment that filled their days. And so, under the guidance of their wise and determined ruler, the kingdom emerged from the grip of laziness to become a beacon of prosperity and industry for all the lands to behold. The moral of the story: through determination and leadership, even the laziest of kingdoms can be transformed into realms of prosperity and productivity.